aswangin. Huwag mo akong aswangin. Joke lang.
Jesus, you're the center.
Ano masasabi mo?
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning! Good morning! Pataasan natin tong temperature dito sa bahay. Kasi ang ginaw talaga. Hindi ko makaya. Hindi ko makaya. Good morning. Different day, different things to do. Hello, hi, good morning to everyone. I will try my best to speak mixing English and Tagalog even though hindi ako magaling mag-English. I'm still going to do that. I'm going to do that. English. Okay, let's go outies. Because the outies is out at ang ginaw guys. Hala. Ano meron? Makuratan man taan. Oh, nagugulat ako ba saan? Tumatakbo-takbo sila. They run like there's something in there. So it makes me nervous because, you know, there's a lot of coyote here. You know, guys, our neighbors telling us that they saw coyotes all the time in their backyard. And it's very close to us. And that coyote, if they want to kill my dog, they can kill my 2 dogs. And I will be devastated. I'm going to have my breakfast, guys. And then, I think it's already 8:30. And then I will leave this house like 10 o'clock. I'm going to call or I'm going to text Lo. What time do I have to be there sa bahay niya? Kasi hindi ko alam talaga. Guys, pasensya na guys ha. I have to mix Tagalog-English. Even though my English is not great, my pronunciation is really bad. And I admit, I know it's really bad. But some of my viewers I have viewers now from Indonesia. And some people are requesting me to speak English. But I cannot promise English also all the time. Because, you know, my tongue is very twisted. Twisted. It's like sometimes my tongue is going to Philippines and going to America, and sometimes it's going to somewhere else that I don't even understand. Anyway, so guys, if you don't know, this is my new thingy, Christmas thingy. I'm just very happy. Hello, where are they? Rocks? Okay, she's right here. Anyway, so let's have breakfast na. You know me, my breakfast is Hawaiian bread. So yun talaga yung pinaka-favorites ko, favorites. If you don't know what Hawaiian bread looks like, it's very obvious. If you go to the store, this is what you see. This orange thingy, like, sobrang, it's very obvious. The packaging, that's a good thing about this Hawaiian. If you look for this bread, it's not just like plain, like, you cannot just, you know, look for Hawaiian. Oh, like, it's very similar from other packaging. So this one is like a nice colorful bag, family pack. Usually they have their own space. If you go to Walmart like that, they have their own space, and their space is kind of bigger compared to others because, you know, it's Hawaiian. I don't know, for some reason Hawaiian is very popular here. Yeah, I noticed, hala, mainit na. Yes, it's nice, it feels nice na. So I noticed that the Hawaiian here is really popular now from other household, you know, sa household ng ibang tao. Kasi yun ko, it's gonna be cold, so I don't know what I'm going to wear. Hindi ko alam ano to, formal ba ito?
70 years later.
Hi guys, tapos na ako. Tinext ko si Lo, sabi ko, Lo, do I have to be there 10? Sabi pa niya, oh, ano daw, sobra early. Kakararating lang din nila pala nag-church. Ay, nakalimutan ko yung ano. Ay. So, nakapagbihis na ako. Ito yung suot ko, guys. Hindi ko alam kung ano ito. Party, churchy. So, para na lang sa church na tayo, yung outfit natin pwede sa church. So, ito yung sinuot ko. Maginaw sa labas, hindi ako nag-close shoes. Ito lang. Kasi walang bagay na close shoes nito eh. Sa ito, hindi bagay sa close shoes. And ito guys, yung mga boxes guys, ilagay ko ayan sa attic. Kasi nangatik-atik. Ilagay ko yan sa attic. Dalhin ko tong camera. Just in case. Ito naman yung trabaho natin. I-vlog yung kinabuhi ko. Yung kinabuhi ko ba, i-vlog ko. Pero ngayon, before tayo alis, bigyan ng pagkain yung aso. Kailangan may candy ako just in case magutom si ako. Kaya guys, kapag magutom ako guys, ay naku, alis talaga ako guys kasi parang hindi talaga kaya ng kinabuhi natin. Anyway, before that, I'm going to transfer clips. Yung mga edited video, ang dami na kasi dito sa laptop ko. So ngayon, yung laptop ko nagloko. Sabi pa, no space, no space. Napagod ako. Kahit sa pag-transfer from edited video na galing Final Cut, hindi ako maka-transfer sa laptop talaga kasi mag-render ba pag-transfer yung edited na. Hindi kasi siya, full na daw. Alam niyo ba na first time natin itong a-attend? I mean, 10 years already. I've been here for 11 years and so, yung nandun ako sa Florida, 3 months lang ako naka-andun. Naka-attend ako ng church binyag. At umala ang ginawa ko. So, nagdala ako ng extra na baka maginaw pa so kaya baka hindi natin kayanin. So, dyan siya. Anyway. Oh my God, ang ginaw. So, yeah, I attended a baptism sa Florida. That was 11 years ago. And so, it's been a while na hindi ako nakapunta ng mga gatherings. So, it's been a while talaga. So, pansensyahan nyo na guys. Kung hindi tayo makapag-vlog later on, pasensya na talaga. Kasi alam nyo na. I'll be right back guys. Wala pala dito yung wallet ko. I'll be right back. Dito lang ako guys. Hintay lang tayo kay Lo. Lumabas si Lo. Sabi pa niya, lalabas na daw rin sila. So, hintayin na lang natin sila dito. Hello? Come with me, my sweet. Hala. I share it off and then kumanta lang ako. Kaloka. I share it off and then kumanta lang ako. Nag-on. Nagustuhan ata yung boses ko. Atulog. Mamaya na lang. And forever, it will be you and me.
Pag ginaw na ginaw tayo palagay
Sige, may dito hindi ko nalinis Lo. Ginaw ko. Itong mga anek.
Ay sus, parang car ko din. Yan mo si Patrick, di ko pa napapaliguan.
Dito na silo guys.
Oh my God! Yan naman.
Oh, ikaw na bahala or asa na alam ko na 9W lang tayo. Kung saan talaga sanayan ko drive.
Yep.
Okay?
And then, alam mo naman yung papunta Rejoice, di ba?
And then pagkatapos niyan,
9W.
Yan
O di sa kung gusto mo lumabas ng 9W, exit ng 5. I know, 8. Going to Walden. Then right tayo, right. Yan ang gusto ko, ganyan. Yung isang car na binigay sa amin. Alam mo kagabi, hindi, Friday night, nung sinundo ko siya, dito, dahan-dahan ako dyan kasi
yung delikado dito paggabi.
Ang daming deers. Nagulat ako kasi nakatayo sila lahat beside. Tapos yung mata nila, yun yung parang
nag-glow.
Nagulat ako. Tapos dito ang dami nila. Sila atang kumakain itong pears na to.
Kasi kapag ganito, naghanap din sila ng mga talaga.
Tapos, sabi ko, tatalong ba kayo? Magkukross ba kayo? Naka-stop ako, lahat kami nagkakatingin na ng gano'n. Tapos sabi ni Jay nung pabalik na ako, bakit? Sabi ko, dito ang dami. Paano mo nakita ang dilim-dilim? Ayan sila, ang dami. Tingnan mo mga mata, parang nakakatakot sa gabi.
Family sila, di ba?
Ang dami. Tapos doon din sa bahay ng alaga ko naman, ang lalaki.
Doon din sa amin, grabe.
Ang lalaki.
Dito ako dadaan kasi
dito nga, kaliwa.
Nainitan ka ba? Limin Si Prinsesa, gandang lolo. Mainitan niya. Nag-ano ba ako?
49.
No, hindi. Yung 76 yung sa loob sa sasakyan.
Mainit nga.
Mainit. So,
okay lang sa akin.
I-off natin mamaya.
Hindi, ikaw. Kasi
Ikaw,
hindi ka
okay lang ako.
Ako nakaano ko. O, tingnan mo.
Patayin natin yan.
May ano ko. Kasi nga, yung likod ko nahirapan ako. Maloko talaga tong asawa ko. Tuwa-tuwa ba naman na nagpabinto sa ako sa niya, it's my turn.
Paano nyo nalaman na gano'n?
Hindi, yun ang panggamot ko kahit sa Pilipinas. Hindi ako pwede uminom ng gamot kasi may allergy nga ako ng oil, niluluto. Garlic, hindi ako pwede. Mamamatay ako doon.
Huwag naman, lo.
Ay, sabi ko sa'yo, ibang-ibang pa. Sabi nga ng nanay ko, aswang to, aswang.
Alalo, wag mo akong paaswang-aswangin. Wag mo akong aswangin, joke lang.
Ano lang talaga, ewan ko kung bakit ganun ang effect sa akin ng bawang. Ang dami nang nakatry niya. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa'yo, bahay ng isang Filipino.
Ay, ito siya?
Oo, yun. Na pinapapunta ako. Naalala ko yung address na yan. Yung dumating na yung fiancé niya.
Ito yung ba yun sinabi mo?
Pero wala naman siyang ano dyan. Ang ano lang niya, masayang family dito. Yan, yung nanay-nanay ko.
Saan natin, i-ano natin sa GPS natin? Malapit lang daw rito.
Malapit lang yan, Tito.
Hello guys, nandito na kami guys.
Yung number yun, 89? 89 Alm Street?
Hold on. Oo.
89?
Oo.
Accepting our invitation. Yeah, one of the people who are excited to see both of you is me. Yeah, I have been speaking about you for maybe weeks now, 3 weeks. And also before that, I told them and mentioned your name. And all the things that I learned from you, maybe not all, the things that I can remember. So besides that, he has his PhD degree in Hebrew Bible from Brandeis University, Master's in Theology.
I'm a little nervous this morning. We just sang Jesus at the center, and here I am at the center. I don't know about that. You have to be careful of idolatry here, right? None of us are at the center, are we?
We therefore, with sincere gratitude, present this to you, Dr. Robert Brian Whitbin, this certificate of appreciation for your service as a guest speaker to Crosspoint, a ministry of Church Jesus Christ Builded, Incorporated. Jesus, you're the center.
Ayan, ano yun eh. Vlogger na naman yun. Hello. Ano? Yan ang nauna talaga. Buti nagkahira ko. Josie, ikaw. Asan sa atin?
Oy, tawagan niyo yung dami.
Meron akong nakilalang viewers dito guys. Nakilala pala niya ako dito. Sabi pa niya, nakita daw yung video ko sa YouTube. Nakita mo sa YouTube?
Oo, vlogger. Maryann.
Ano pangalan mo?
Celia.
Celia guys. Si Celia.
Hello, vlogger. Thank you, I miss you. Saan kayo dito?
Busy sila ngayon guys, oh.
Yes! Hi, guys!
Ang daming Pilipino guys.
May fans siya dito. May
Ano ang sasabihin? Sinong baby niyan?
Rosa.
Who is she?
Yan?
She's so cute. Oh my God, a beautiful baby. Oh my God. Hi, honey. Oh my God, how good is she?
Ano?
My name is Mira. Ano Bisaya?
Bisa Tagalog. Tagalog.
Ako yung Tagalog kay. Huwag kayo. Bisaya.
Daghan man dahil sila. Eh, daghan.
Walang atras. Walang pagdulang.
Parang umuulan ata eh.
You were there.
Yung basa.
Of her family.
Kain tayo guys.
Where you go?
Mga topic.
Guys, murag ako igagaw guys.
Parihog nos.
Parihog. Dako ka sa ulaw. Dako kay ko.
Ingon ako asawa, pareho naming ilong.
Parehas daw kami ng ilong guys, sabi ng asawa niya. Bisaya din guys, taga-Butuan din siya.
Hello.
Taga-Butuan siya. Naanak ko yung mga katsikahan din guys, grabe kasaba. Kilala mo yung pangalan mo?
Ako po si Josie Bation. Kung sa Tagalog, Bation. Kung sa English, Vision.
Loka-loka din ito. So guys, matagal na pala siya nanonood ng vlog. Hello, vlogger.
I'm going? Yeah!
Ito po.
Ano masasabi mo?
Ay, ito po. Kaya binigyan kami ng mga tasa kasi matatao. Makakain sa kape pa.
Tosi.
Talaga to si Dan. Si Pinoy! Huwag po kayong robe.
That's what it's about.
Yup.
Thank you.
Day of October in the year of the Lord 2019, signed by our senior pastor, Reverend Alan.
Wala ka pa niya. Karoon pang ganit ko. Yeah, stay there.
Wala.
Ako na lang, proxy.
Absent.
Proxy. May penalty ang absent. Nananakinin na. Siya ang penalty ang absent.
Also,
Yeah.
from our sister Anna.
Ang tagal ng panahon. Yung nanay namin.
Anna, for the past months, you know, every time we chat or after church service, we always talk. And I am blessed every time Sister Anna speaks on fire about Jesus Christ, her faith, what Jesus has been revealing to her, right, Sister Anna? And she said she's so happy that she's off every weekend so she can come here. That was something that she was praying for, and God really put things in her, so she said. Yeah, take a moment to talk to Sister Anna, you will be so blessed.
La 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 la.
Very good. And then Sister Jessica. And Sister Jessica, wonderful testimony. Diba, Sister Jessica, wonderful testimony about God's faithfulness. Through her, to her husband.
Isa lang ang height, oh.
Husband.
Take time, talk to her, and you will be amazed what God has done to her, right? And of course, to our brother there, right?
Meanwhile, back in the lowlands.
La, ginoo ko. Hoy, mahulog. Ginoo ko, tila pa mo diha. Sige pa. Sige. Sige, gara, dyan mo, gara. Sige pa, sige. Ala, kasakit. Aroy, ginoo ko. Aroy, ginoo ko. Mga tang-tang mo po na mga lostre na mga lostre po na mga brick. Enough. Let's go, Oris. Aduy, kiata. Uy, kiata, Jude. Kiata. Aduy, ginoo ko. Aroy. Aduh. Uy, di arah diri. Aray. Hala, uy, ginoo ko, mga manyak. Hindi ko nakain yung candy. Nagdala ako ng candy sa simbahan kasi alam nyo naman ako pag magutom, magkulaps. Parang makukulaps yung ano ko. So, hindi ko nakain. Hindi ako nagutom sa speaker nila doon. Yung pastor, doctor ba yun? Basta yun siya. Hindi ako nilalaay. Ay, nako, sa speaker nila. So, may ibang speaker kasi katulugon dahil yung ko. Ay, naminaw ba? Doon, hindi. Dito na ako, guys. I am just going to put all the lights and give this kid a see. Lahat ng tao, guys, binigyan nila ng, yung pangalan ng simbahan nila. Cross point. Ito din, yung medium. Ito siya. Shirt. Yun. And, ano bang gagawin ko? Meron pa akong asikasuhin, guys. Meron pa akong video na dapat i-edit. Wala tayong video bukas. Anyway, guys, dito muna tayo. Magkita-kits na lang tayo mamaya pagkatapos kong mag-ano. Tingnan nyo yung dalawa, guys. Natutulog sa isang couch. Si Roxy, hapsi pa. Kalo, katong dala. Ay, gayos kinabuhi. Nato dere, pagkalak. Ay, gayos kinabuhi. Ay, angel, angel, angel. Angel. Angel, 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 angel. Okay. Pakainin natin itong mga nuggets natin, guys. So, in a way, I would say thank you to my friend Lolo. I would like to say thank you to my friend Lo. Because she invited me to go to the church. It's been a long freaking time that it's been a long time that I haven't go to church, you know. I never heard of listening a word of God. Matagal na talaga, guys. Bata pa ako, guys. Talagang may nagwawali ba? Nakalimutan ko, nagmamadali ako kanina. Nakalimutan ko hugasan yung pinggan ko, kinainan ko this morning. Ay, nako, talaga naman itong buhay na to. Kapag talaga yung mga Bisaya, no? Kapag kahit yung, hindi naman Bisaya lang. Pero iba talaga, pag Bisaya talaga, pag magkita talaga yung Bisaya talaga, manglugwa talaga ng mga kabuang lagi. May nakilala ako ng Bisaya ba? Actually, dalawa sila, pero yung isa, Juicy ba yun pangalan niya? Juicy. Very juicy. Natawa ako sa kasi. Natawa. So, ang saya lang na may bago tayong nakilalang mga Pinoy. Yung ano pala, yung pagdating namin doon pala guys, may pinick up kami, may kinuha kami ni Luna. Bago lang din siya dito. Ang pangalan niya Lloydie. Si Lloyd. Hindi mahirap kalimutan yung pangalan niya kasi kapangalan niya si Lloydie. Si Lloyd ba? Yung artista ba na alam niyo na. Anyway. So, kinuha namin siya, pinick up namin siya sa bahay nila. Ay, umuulan pa guys. Grabe guys, umuulan talaga. Nakakaluka, maniti. Sumakit yung ulo ko guys. Alam niyo kung bakit sumakit ulo ko? Since this morning, usually I drink a lot of water every morning. Pero since this morning, dahil nagmamadali ako, at saka nabusy din ako sa pag-i-edit ng video, I end up not drinking a lot. It's just very little water. So, ngayon, inom tayo ng tubig. Kainin ko lang sila guys. And I will be right back. Thank you guys so much always for watching. And tomorrow is Monday. Tommy is gonna be here. So I will see him tomorrow. And I'm going to end this vlog. And thank you all guys so much for watching. And yeah, I will see you in my next one. Good night. Good night guys. It's already 6 o'clock and 6:01. Yeah. 6:01 ng gabi. Thank you guys. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.